pulau di la non kachebohong sei ke la so a give and take policy alam ke do pena policy ke plang lo lagi jong hele kali pose kalang lo la si arboretum along meeting ke do a resolution ako pinili long do nil pananang lo hala tumpulo give and take ke ave pose la tumpulo ante give and take ke do policy pijus hajorika minister pan ke komiti selam si alang li fancy kopini ape claim ke di ante la ilitum a council tumta BJP tumta halada resolution long ke to pijus hajorika a komiti apan ke ni tum cherap dunji pusi ke to ante la give and take dulu ke do se la komiti pijus hajorika komiti ke do ilo ke ante la ga pacho be la non ka che plan ka che chok ke do ke la peace give and take ku ke puapot la support lu la ka che plan ike
sir pini nangli ladak labangso border long monsam ke banji apu thak nangli tum ladak sabso kaching room amai ki bi pon apu long nangli tum ku PPC ilitum karbi lapen khasia jantia lapen kapre litum trap aso pan ku pia message nangli ki pidam ji
nelitum PHLC pen ke claim la son hello nelitum akhang nelitum claim kledet lo claim manet bang government tum claim bom lo this council pen hala ka kaching wa I think si peace committee do lo amar hala peace committee long chedam chewang nang ne pu resolution enturong angge chedam chewang nang ne pulo tel ke peace kalilu lagi chedam chewang we det po he aman mu ko man ne ban pi chi joy konan ne mi kai dut pulo le te ko pulo na ni tum DC tum ke claim curfew selam lo pulatang te curfew bilo pulatang te ni tum police army pi joy pon diti non ge daga police army ta ve ke lang ya bang ilito muni talang le ilito mi hemsi do clip lo non ke sedam chi wang vedet nang yi po masi la ben do clip ane kalimene seta do clip ason lo je plan ka che pere se roi lo mati di angela so ge bang a chance our sign ang endudet ji bongo sina RSS tum our sign ang endudet po chumang bhanna pikilo ta thek karbi bhanna pikilo ta thek hemmi kai ta thek komani karbi te chumang atuma hem dami kai ta thek ange ki puji ke chumang tum lo puji tum FIR ilito mang pulis along piserak nang yi ilito me thang kabisar ya dim ave ke di tum ge six schedule and idiot masi ilito bisara thaya ve la posi FIR pira judicial court along ka bisar bhansi ilitum ta claim nang ji la thage la hello
sir today in this public gathering so what message you are going to give for our Karbi people and for our Khasi people from your side?
The first thing is that we are tribals and we have to maintain tribal unity and understanding. We should not allow political forces which have other considerations than tribal interests to take over. And I am requesting those who have called this economic blockade to lift the blockade. Let the people on the ground, let them live like they have lived for these past few years with security and with understanding. Political problems, border problems, we will solve at another level.
Okay, thank you so much. Sir, please, what message you are going to give for both the Karbi people and for the Khasi people about peace for our border?
Yes, we came here as a permanent resident in this border area. We want to maintain peace. Only that. Yes.
Okay.
No more to talk about agenda. Because only we want to maintain peace in this area. We live as we lived before. Which my grandfather lived on us, we have to maintain peacefully in this area.
Okay, thank you.